If you want to transfer photos from Files app to Photos app on iPhone 11, first open the Files app. If you stored on iCloud, click this, or it's on this device means just open on my iPhone. For me it's iCloud, so I open this and open the photo you want to transfer. Then tap this circle and click select. Now select the photos just like that. Then click the share button, scroll up, then tap save images, the second option. That's it. Photos app. Here is the selected photos. And if you didn't see the save image option, you need to watch this video. I will explain how to do that without this save images option.